In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube video not playing on smart TV or Android TV. You can see that my video is not playing, not loading. For fixing this problem, go back from YouTube, then go to settings on your TV, click on settings, scroll down, then click on device preference, then click on date and time. You can see that my date and time is incorrect. For fixing this, click on automatic date and time, click on it. Use network provided time, click on it. Go back. Now go to YouTube app. Now play any video. You can see that YouTube is playing. Now I hope that this method fix smart TV YouTube app not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.